Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about emoji. But this time around, we'll be discussing about we have different kind of emojis. So today we'll be discussing about the transport emoji. How you can make different emojis, different signs of kind of transport we have with emoji. So for example, if you want to make the rocket emoji, so on your website, so you need, firstly, the foundation of every emoji is for you to have the ampersand sign and the pound sign. So now with that, so you can proceed by typing in your code of the emoji that you want. So now for us to get the rocket sign of emoji, so we need, after typing our ampersand and the pound sign, so we need a numeric value to follow it, which will be 1286 So now you see you're going to have the rocket. So now this is how you can make the rocket kind of emoji. So this is how you can make the rocket kind of emoji with HTML. So now let me just say this. So we have this rocket. So how you can make your rocket kind of emoji. So now we have it here already. We have it here already. So that's how you can make your rocket. So we have a whole lot of them. For example, if you want to make an helicopter, this is very, very simple. So let me just copy this. So I won't waste much of your time. Let me paste. So now I'll just change the zero, which is the last digit, to one, and boom, I'll be getting my helicopter. So you see, I have my helicopter kind of emoji. So let me space it out so you can see. So you can see here, so I have it here, my helicopter kind of emoji. So now it depends on what you really want to do. So we have a whole lot of emojis. So let me do another one so you can see. Now you see what I have a steam locomotive emoji. You see, making emoji is very, very simple with HTML. Making emojis is very, very simple. So once you know the code for each symbol you want to make. Now this is okay, let me name it. We have a helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. We have a, sorry, okay, let me use helicopter. We have a helicopter. Now these we have what do we have next? Let me check. We have a steam engine. It's a steam engine. We have a steam engine. So what other one do we have there? I have a steam engine. So 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 now let us make a railway car. Don't know. Let's make a railway car. Let's make a railway car. Okay, let me just paste 40. Let me make it 3. We have something there to show for. Now you see, so this is a railway car. So a railway car. A railway car. So this is it. Let's see. So we have a railway car here. Yes. So that's a railway car. So okay. So what other things do we need to make? Okay, how can we make a train? Train. So oh, admittedly our train will be let me paste. I have this. Our train will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Our train will be 6. I think this should be 6. to make our train. Now you see we have our train. We have our train here. We have our train. Yep, we have our train. Train. So you see this is our train. We have our train here. So we can make a whole lot of signs with uh with our HTML. Yes, we can make a whole lot of emojis with our HTML. So this is a little bit. We can make that of Texy. We can make that of We can make that of Texy. We can make that of automobile, oncoming automobile. We can create a whole lot of this. So you can play around with this. You can start changing this particular code here from 40. You can decide to make it, let me say, 49. We'll have something. We'll have something. Surely we'll have something. Now you see. Now we have this. We also have a train. You see. So you can have anything. So just play around with this code here. Just play around with this particular code here. Then you see I can decide to change it to, what about if I change it to 50, 59? Let's see what we are going to have. Now you see we have a car. You understand? So you can change this to 80. Let's see what we will have. Let me see what we are going to have. You see, we have a warning sign. Now you see, we have a warning sign. We have a warning sign. So you can play around with all this, and you can get it. Now, for us to get a speedboat, let me say speedboat, we should have 76. With this, we are going to get a speedboat. Now you see. So this is how you can make emoji transport in HTML. Thank you for watching my tutorial.